technical preparation and discipline. The basic things to start with would be by keeping the place you use for trading and watching TV in a good order. I guess you wouldn't want to experience a huge disappointment when, after having placed the first bet of the trade, you discover that you've accidentally unplugged the internet cable while leaning over to the other side of the desk to fetch a cup of coffee. Another situation, coming back from the loo, you find that your 5-year-old daughter has placed a €1,000 back bet on the underdog and his odds are rapidly increasing. Now this may sound trivial, but it's essential. Start with keeping the trading place tidy and obstruction-free. And it shouldn't be too difficult to set up a cosy corner at the TV set where you can sit comfortably with your PC or laptop in front of you. You also have to make sure your trading workstation is well prepared for an uninterrupted Betfair trading process. Uninstall any unnecessary software, or even better, before you start trading, reinstall the operational system to clear the system register and keep the computer's performance at its best. Ideally, you should have a PC or a laptop dedicated only for the Betfair trading and keep it safe and in good condition. However, as you'll be dealing with serious money, there's one more thing to consider. Standby power backup and an emergency internet connection are two last things you should get, just in case your broadband goes down or a blackout happens. You never know what can happen, and better be well prepared and not lose your initial back or lay bet in case of these unlikely events. Imagine the frustration when you're helplessly watching on your internet connection window and discover that there are no wireless networks detected and the broadband has disappeared. Or the voltage in the power line suddenly drops and your computer shuts down. I repeat, such events are very little likely to happen, but when you start trading tennis on Betfair using serious stakes, you should definitely consider it. You won't spend too much on a good quality power backup or so-called uninterruptible power supply, and it's better to make sure you're safe and protected. And you can always get some cheap wireless broadband connection in the area for around £20 as an alternative internet connection. Well, so far about the practical things. Not of a smaller importance is the factor of your self-discipline. Don't start trading having a pack of Budweiser in front of you or having invited your best mate Owen over to watch the match together. If you do so, you can have some really surprising moments the next day when you wake up with a headache and checking the Betfair balance, you see it drained. Separate the trading from entertainment, and if you don't feel in the right mood, better just leave it for today and do something else. Calm yourself down before the tennis trading session and don't take it too hard on yourself. Understand that while you're still gaining the experience, you won't earn any serious money, and once again, don't focus on money making here. Try to improve your trading skills, and please note, the trading consists of small technical details which are very important. There's nothing difficult about the in-play tennis trading. However, the basics have to be firmly imprinted into your mind. If you start getting to know the tennis trading league systems without any prior knowledge of Betfair, you have to spend the first few days until you completely understand what's happening when people make their money available for laying and backing at the respective odds. Keep it simple could be the slogan of in-play tennis trading on Betfair. Don't try to analyse the market like a financial analyst, drawing graphs and analysing historical data of a particular tennis player's past performance. Sure, knowing the strengths and weaknesses of the players competing in the match is an advantage. However, since the tennis trading league systems show you the exact criteria on the player, a match evaluation and the exact profit and loss ratio per trade, the whole Betfair trading becomes more like a numbers game. But now we've come to the next thing. Much of your tennis trading success is going to depend on how you manage your trading bank.